So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. All right, somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. I do feel like the truth came out, or the truth is getting ready to come out about a situation. Yeah, that's why they're asking their friends for help, because this person is afraid that they're not going to be able to have this new beginning with you. And see, yeah, I'm telling you, whoever I'm picking up on, they're talking to someone about, okay, how can I make this right with Cancer or a cross-watcher if you're dealing with a Cancer. This is what they're saying about you, because I do feel like this person, they could be focusing on their finances, but also when it comes to you, they want to extend an offer to you. You know, they want to start off as friends because they do want more. You know, they're trying to figure out, okay, how can I approach Cancer with what it is that I want? You know, because see, in the past, I started a lot of conflict, a lot of drama, you know, and I don't want to do that. This person's getting out of their head. See, they're making changes. I feel like in the past, this person was definitely sneaky. And see, there was some judgment here. You know, maybe this person's afraid that when they do approach you, you're going to judge them. But I do feel like they're trying to make a decision. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But it's like they're losing hope. It's the Death card. It's just balancing. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But this person's afraid that they're not going to have a chance with you at all. See? They're not going to be able to have a new opportunity with you because of everything that they've done in the past. And so they're back and forth with the Wheel of Fortune. So that lets me know this person is trying to close out some type of cycle, right? But they can't move forward until they finish out those lessons. See? Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but this person, somebody's trying to get out of a relationship. That's what I told you in the beginning, a relationship. It could even be a marriage, some type of contract. Somebody's needing to get out of something, and this is why they cannot come forward just yet. Lord, see what I'm saying? The devil tried to jump out. They're not in a good situation. And see, there's communication coming in. Yeah, this person feels stuck. Maybe this person's feeling stuck in a situation due to finances. You know, this is why they don't have a peace of mind. But I'm seeing that they definitely want to give you an offer. But they're not happy right now. Maybe for some of you, this person has a child with you or someone else. Yeah, there could be a child involved. Maybe this person, if there's no child or children involved, this could just be saying that this person's not happy because, yes, they want to come back and they want to give you the offer that you deserve, but I'm really feeling like, look at that, finishing my sentences. They're going to have to put in the work, okay? They're going to have to put in the work to win you back. At the same time, right now, I feel like I'm telling you, they're focusing on their money right now. Because maybe they're having to give to someone else if there is, like, a child or children involved. See, this is about money. I'm telling you, somebody's in some type of situation that they're trying to get out of, a commitment, a contract, a marriage. There's something going on. And right now, it's like they're focusing on their money. See, because look, they're going through a tower moment. This person left you out in the cold in the past. You know, they want to make things right, but they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a new beginning with you. And this is why they're moving slow, okay? Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Hold on, y'all. I'm picking up 3 things. Okay. So, what I'm seeing here, this person feels like you're moving on, right, without them. And it does make them nervous, but I'm picking up this other individual that they're dealing with. This person's all about money, right? And this could be their wife. It could be like the mother of their children. It's some type of situation going on. And this is why they're undecided about what to do and how to approach you, which goes back to let your friends help you, because they want to give you this offer, but they're afraid that you're going to reject them. And see, it's like, one, they don't want you to cut them off, but at the end of the day, it's like I'm picking up these 2 main situations. Whoever this person is on their end, I do feel like they're trying to break free from this person. This could be them also trying to give this other individual, you know, an offer like, look, maybe I can give you X, Y, and Z. And I feel like this person saying, no, I don't want it. So, yeah, it's like they're having a hard time, but they know what they need to do. They know who they want to be with. They're just taking their time right now, you know. And it's like they are listening to their intuition. They're not frustrated, you know, and they're trying to move forward. They're trying their best not to look back. See what I'm saying? Justice landed right on top of the Queen of Pentacles. I'm telling you, there is some type of legal situation going on with this person that I'm picking up on and someone else. You know, it's a court situation, and right now I feel like it's their karma. You know, they're wanting the truth. They want to know how you really feel about them, because they know they screwed up. You know, they did stab you in the back, but I'm seeing 2 10s. So I'm saying that they know they have to put an ending to a situation in order to have a new beginning with you. This could be a family situation. Yeah, see, and they're having to give out. They're going to have to pay, you know, to this other person. That's why I saw a lot of emphasis on money. But when it comes to you, you're the person who they want to have a family with, right? And they want to give you that offer, but see, right now they can't. They're feeling stuck. They feel stuck in this other situation, and they can't make a move just yet. Alright, so I'm seeing they're going to come out of being frustrated, but at the same time, they're not positive about what to do. I feel like they know they hurt you. I feel like this person is upset with themselves, but look at that. Okay, see what I'm saying? Y'all have options. So, it could be a situation, because I'm picking up, this could be, you know, Cancer. You've been going through this with someone else, but it also could be a cross-watcher. Cross-watcher, you know, a Cancer basically did this to you. So I'm literally seeing it both ways. But there's somebody else. And this is why this person is upset. They're afraid because they're like, you know, I got to get out of this other situation. But the person I want to be with, they're either already dealing with someone else or this other person is getting ready to come in. Yep, and they know. Because I feel like in the past they were dragging their feet, but they got to make a move. They're trying their best to do what they need to do to turn things around. But see, they're back and forth with the 3 of Swords. So that lets me know they want out of some type of third-party situation, but they haven't gotten out of it yet. See? It's something pertaining to money. I'm telling you, this person knows they didn't balance things out with you, but right now, financially speaking, things aren't balanced. I feel like they're going through some type of fight or there's some type of disagreement with money with this person and someone else. But the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. So they know that they're going to have to come towards you and speak the truth because they don't want you to walk away from them. Back and forth with the 9 of Cups. So I feel like at one point it's like this person, they're afraid that things may not work out between the 2 of you, but the next minute they want to heal things. They want to make it right. They want things to improve. They don't want you waiting around on them. So they're going to move fast. This person definitely wants to move fast. See? They love you. This person loves you. They want to be with you. But you see this person right here. Let's bring it up a little closer. This person right here, right? Holding on to them for money. Okay? And this is the problem. They're trying to hurry up and get themselves out of this situation. But it's like they're not taking a leap right now because they're feeling like they're not going to have a victory in this other situation. You know, especially when it comes to you, they feel like you're going to be cold and harsh. Y'all have had enough. You know, and so right now it's like they're stuck trying to make a decision. They don't know what to do. Yeah, see, it's like they're trying to have the strength to come towards you. Y'all done skipped all the signs. Y'all see how like I just be, y'all forgive me. Y'all know what the signs are, okay? I'm gonna just keep going. Anyway, I see a Leo here, but I'm gonna just keep going. So anyway, they're trying to have the strength to come towards you. But I do feel a heavy focus on money here, you know. And I'm seeing that they want to give you this stable offer. But they're waiting on the decision. Yeah, I'm seeing documents, contract. I'm telling you, this person's trying to get out of something, guys. You know, and I definitely feel like every time they want to say something to you, they don't. But they're coming out of being frustrated. They're going to get out of some type of third-party situation because they love you. They want to be with you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. I told you. They're going to get out of this third-party situation, but I feel like they're afraid that if they can't get their money together or they don't know how the money situation is going to play out, you may not want them. They're in their head, though. Let me see. Did I tell y'all it's money? I told you. This is about money. Okay. So, it's like they look at you as someone who's positive, but they're isolating themselves. Could be dealing with a Capricorn. There's somebody around them that's very controlling, very manipulative. This person, I'm telling you, somebody's going after them. Could be dealing with an Aries. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer. I do feel like this person's trying to move on. they're basically trying to get away from this other person because they want to be with you. Maybe for some of you, they have to physically move. Yep, look at that. They have to move. Somebody's in some type of like living situation where they live with like someone else. This could be a family that they have. So like again, they could be married. They need to move. They're gonna have to move. Yep, in order to balance things out. Look at that, 11, 11, 11. Okay, 11. Ah! Cancer. Okay, look at this. You see what I'm saying? The way it came out though, it's like they know they need to get away from this person. They're trying to break out of this commitment, the marriage, the contract, whatever this is. But when it comes to you, they're afraid that you don't want it anymore. Yes, they want to be with you, but they're feeling like you're done. See? They're wanting to come towards you. They're trying, I'm telling you, they're trying to break free from this person. They want to build with you. So they got to let this other individual go, this other situation go. But they know if they let it go, they're going to take a hit financially. There's something that's tying them to this other person. And this is why they're frustrated. It's like they're trying not to be frustrated, but they can't sleep. They're worried. But I'm seeing they're going to have the confidence, yep, when it comes to this family situation or this person from the past they've been dealing with. They're going to balance things out. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. So when it comes to you, look at this, see? When it comes to you, and there you are. So when it comes to you, I do feel like they want to give you the truth. They want to tell you, you know, how much they love you. They care about you. They want this to work. But they know that because of what they did in the past with this other individual and how they basically played you time and time again, they hurt you, you know? And it's like you guys are listening to your intuition and they're 100% afraid that you're done. You're not going to take them back. But I do feel like they're gonna come back. They're eventually gonna come back, but there's still some obstacles on their end they have to get through. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the Tower reverse. So this is you guys. Somebody's dealing with a Virgo. Why do I keep hearing Virgo? Anyway, sorry y'all. I'm seeing that this could be you guys realizing the truth. This could be the truth basically getting ready to come out. So let's just see. This could be you speaking your truth. Alright, so I'm seeing that basically you want balance in your life, right? You want happiness. But you're frustrated. Okay, so this is basically telling me maybe some of you guys want to still be with this person. Right, because it's like you see happiness. Maybe, again, some of you could have a child with this person, or you're currently pregnant, or you know that you're supposed to have a child, right? But this person's basically, they're having you wait around. It's taking too long. And it's like you want them to be confident. You want them just to rush back in. But see, look at, didn't I tell y'all? You have options, okay? Options. You guys have options. You're like, I've been waiting around. I want you to be confident, but I'm having a hard time now because now somebody else is, if you haven't met someone else, I'm telling you, somebody is coming in. And this person, they're going to know what it is that they want, and they're not going to hesitate. And see, look, that's why I'm telling you, you're going to have a hard time because now you have to choose, Cancer. You got to choose. But see, when you think back to this other person, it's like you're not happy, you're not content with how basically I keep hearing played you. So, yeah, maybe some of you guys felt played by this person. You know, and now you're like, okay, I understand we have a connection, but I'm starting to feel like we're not going to have a family, you know? I'm starting to feel like you're not going to get out of your situation. So, see, I had to put an end to it. I had to put an end to it. I'm not waiting around on you. I'm not doing it. See, Cancer, look at your card jumped out. I'm telling you. You guys are like, I'm putting it into it. I'm no longer waiting on you. I'm no longer moving forward with you. There's somebody else. I can't do it anymore. Oh, my God. The way that it almost came out like this. That's why I was like, okay, y'all freed yourselves, but it ended up coming out like this. So it's like you don't have a peace of mind about what this person did to you in the past. And to be honest with you, some of y'all really don't want to put an end to this. It's like you do. It's like this person is forcing your hand. So it's like you have to, but it's hard because you don't have a peace of mind knowing, okay, it's like they're not coming towards me. So I have no choice but to just move on. See, they're saying listen to your intuition. Yep. They're saying the seeds that you planted, they're going to grow. I told you. Some of you guys don't want to walk away. I told you. See, you're frustrated because you're like, if I walk away from this connection, I might lose this person for good. I mean, damn. It came out hard. See, you guys are battling yourself. There's a lot of confliction here, Cancer. It's like, I feel like you're being pushed to move forward, but you don't want to. So it's like, honestly, y'all are holding on to this person, and it's like this person, yes, they want to be with you. Remember, I told you they have to get out of this other situation, and that's why something was telling me to let y'all don't wait. You cannot wait, you know, because there's a lot of mental confliction here. There's a lot of arguing going on. I feel like not even with you, but on the other person's end, there's like a battle, you know? See, there's no balance. And that's why Spirit is saying, yes, this could be your soulmate. For some of you, yes, it might be a twin. But this person, they're not bringing any type of balance in your life, and you have to put an end to it. I feel like this was a part of your lesson, Cancer. See, this is going to take some time. Didn't I tell y'all, don't wait? This is going to take some time. This is the slowest moving night. This person is taking their time to get out of the situation. Don't wait. So I'm telling you, if you have not met someone else, I'm telling you, there's somebody else coming in. But I see a lot of healing. You guys are going to be coming out of feeling sad, depressed, upset, all, you know, the whole nine. Y'all are coming out of that energy. Because this person's taking too long. See, you're like, you know what? This person wasn't moving forward with me, so I'm not reaching out. I'm not doing anything like that. I'm making a change. I'm going to make the change. You're no longer putting any time, effort, or energy into this situation. I told you. Yep. Because you're starting to feel like, you know, I may not be able to have a commitment with this person. I may not, you know, be able to have a marriage with this person. For some of you, let's just say you're married to this person or you're in a commitment. You may be leaving this person. Take it however it fits. But yeah, I see you guys no longer putting any type of energy into this situation. And by you moving forward, there's somebody else coming in if you haven't met them already. All right, Cancers. I hope you guys enjoyed the reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates. All right, guys. Love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye, Cancer. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Cancer. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.